Hey guys, how are we doing today? Welcome to Let Us Stray. I'm Mike, and today we're going to be going over how to fix your pulley fan light switch and replace it. It's a fairly simple process, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, so first things first, we're going to want to go to our circuit breaker and flip our circuit breaker off. That goes to our fan and light fixture. I like to leave the fan running so that this way I can see it slow down and know that there's no power to it. But if you like to double check, you can also take your multimeter and verify that way as well.
For today's project, you're going to need wire strippers, wire cutters, a screwdriver, wire twists, and also your fan light replacement switch. Make sure to verify that you get the switch for the light and not the fan. That could be found at your local hardware store. Also, I recommend taking the fan apart first. This way you can verify the product number.
Okay, so you're going to want to take this clasp off. Push that to the side. Next, this thing here is just going to screw off. Next, there's a little nut right here, and I'm just going to twist that off. When doing so, hold the light fixture up because it will fall down. This little nut is holding it in place. Okay, so next we're going to actually take this down, and there's just a couple set screws right up here. So you're gonna have 1, 2, and 3 on this model. Yours may be different, maybe yours has 4. So you're going to want to remove those to release this. So we have disconnected the mounting bolts for this, and the reason I leave the clasp on here is just so it can hang while we're disconnecting these 2 wires here, as you can see. Make sure you're remembering which wires go to which. In this case we have 2 white wires and a blue and a black. Okay, so now that we got our light down, we're going to flip it over, and there's some screws here. I've already taken a couple out, but just to show you, there's 4. I'm just going to unscrew these real quick, and that will release this piece here. Okay, now that you've removed this top piece, I want to go down here, and this is the piece we're actually replacing here, this switch. And to release this switch, I'm going to have to flip this over, and this nut here, I'm just going to unscrew that. That should come right off. Okay, so we have our switch out here, our pulley switch. It is not working, at least not engaging correctly, so we're going to be replacing this, and I'm going to be taking this red wire out and just connecting the new switch directly to this little box here, which is just our power limiter box. Okay, so we have our new pulley switch here, and we're just going to connect this to our power limiter box right here. And also, with this new switch, it came with this little cap here, so we're just going to unscrew that. Okay, so next we're going to take our switch here and we're going to install it. Slide that right in here. Like so. That will pop out on this side. And then we'll take our nut here from this piece and connect them. There we go. And now we're just going to reverse that process. So take your cap here and feed your wires back through. And then screw everything back down. I'm just going to reconnect this real quick. Reconnect the white wires. And then reconnect the black. Okay, there we go. Now, just time to remount it. Okay, so while I was putting things back together, I noticed on the new pull cord it's a lot shorter than the old one. So, easy solution. All I did was I took the old one, I cut it, and was able to use this clasp here, and we'll just reattach it here. And I'll just have to go to the store and see if I can find another one of these later. Okay, so let's see if it works. Like a charm. Not bad for a $5 part. Okay, so there you go, guys. I hope you guys found this informative. If you did like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And once again, I'm Mike, and this is Apollo, and we'll see you next time. Safe travels.